Hi students, welcome to Mrs. Gomez's at-home laboratory. The purpose of this lab is to find out if you double the amount of time an object accelerates, will the distance also double? Write your hypothesis. If you double the amount of time an object travels, will the distance it travels increase, decrease? Add that to your hypothesis and then we'll get started. These are the materials you are going to need for our lab. A book, a wooden plank, I took this from our bookshelf, a ruler, a timer, a car or any object that rolls, and a string. Let's say you didn't have a wooden plank. What you can do is put something under the legs of the table on one end, and that will incline the table. So what you can do is you can put the car at the end, and that will be your incline. Let's say you don't have a toy car. Then what you can do is use a ball. This is a bouncy ball. Let's get started with our lab. This is segment A, trial 1. I'm going to set the car down and I'm going to hurry and let it go, then stop it once my timer reaches 0.5. So it's 0.5 seconds and it happens real quick. There it is. That was 0.5 seconds. So that measures at 11 centimeters. Now it's time for trial 2. That is about 12 centimeters. Now we have trial 3. And that is about 10 centimeters. It's time for segment B, trial 1. So now I need to measure it with my string. This length right here to the rope. So this is 30.5 centimeters. Plus 11. So that would make it 41 centimeters for segment B, trial 1. Time for trial 2. So 30.5 plus 20. 50.5 for trial 2, segment B. Time for trial 3. So this is 30. So this is 30.5 plus 25, so that would make it 55.5 centimeters for trial 3. It's time for segment C. What we are going to do is stop the car at 1.5 seconds. This is segment C, trial 1. So it's 30.5 plus 30.5 plus 27. That is a total of 88 centimeters. This is trial 2. Thirty and a half plus 25. That is a total of 86 centimeters. This is trial 3. Thirty and a half plus 20 plus the 30 and a half previously. That is a total of 81. We are now going to start trial D. We will be stopping the car at 2 seconds. This is trial 1. Okay, so we need to measure it. So 30 and a half from this length. Another 30 and a half. Three 30s and a half. 4 30 and a half. Plus 3. That equals 125 centimeters. This is segment D, trial 2. Thirty and a half plus 30 and a half. 2, 3, 4, 6. That is 128 centimeters. This is segment D, trial 3. So 30 and a half plus another 30 and a half, 2, 3, 4, 4. That total will be 126 centimeters. That's it for today's lab. I hope you guys learned something new. Until next time.